January 1st, 2025. Somewhere in Florida, a young mother pushing a stroller down 34th Street. Earlier that day, she walked into a Taco Bell to file a lost property report. By nightfall, 5 felony charges. I've covered a lot of these, but this one cascades faster than anything I've seen.
She attacked me, sir.
Leave your baby alone. No. Leave your baby alone.
Okay, all right, I'm good. I'm good.
Lay down now.
She attacked me. Okay, I'm laying. She attacked me. She attacked me.
Put your arm behind your back.
She attacked me. She attacked me. No! She attacked me.
Don't move. Stand up.
She attacked me.
Jimmy,
Can you bring my baby to my mom?
quiet. Put your shoe on.
Where are you bringing my baby
Can you
to?
just stay with listen, do you have anything hidden on you?
Where are you bringing my
Nancy,
baby
can you
to?
come by for a search?
Where are you guys bringing my baby to?
Thank you.
Where are you bringing my baby to? Where are you bringing my baby to? Please, not again. Where are you bringing my baby to?
You did not care about your baby when you were committing a robbery to a man at Taco Bell.
That's not what happened. He took my money and then attacked me with my baby. It's on camera. Oh, that's what we're going to court about? Because that's on camera. That is on camera. That man attacked me.
I watched the camera.
Can you please bring her?
Be quiet. Okay.
No, baby, no.
If you think that we're not going to take care of your kid, you're out of your mind. We're going to take care of your kid a lot better than you have been doing.
No, that's not true. That's not true. It's me.
Hey, just lean up against the car, okay?
Please get her somewhere. Not in the system. Please. Oh, my unbreathe.
Stop moving. Just lean against the car. This officer's going to come search you. Got it? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? On what planet do you think you're going to get away from me? Lean up against the car, like I said. If you try and run again, I'm going to put you right on your face on the ground. Got it? Goodness gracious, now you're going to charge with escape.
You're breaking my face! Stop! No! My face! Please get off of me!
Now battering a law enforcement officer. Just search her while she's on the ground, please. This is unbelievable.
Stop resisting.
Please.
All in front of your daughter.
No, my baby!
This is unbelievable. I have never
My
seen
baby.
somebody act like
my
this.
baby! My baby!
Oh, hush. You have anything on you that's sharp? It's gonna pop me, problem, hit me, hurt me.
Please, my baby. Please. Please, my baby. Please.
Hey, Jason, get with him. It's 3070 21st Avenue. Go over there, contact the family, tell her we have the kid. And give them this address, tell them to come over.
Do you have anything else on you? That's a question. Do you have anything on you I need to be aware of? No. If you take anything into jail, that's going to be another charge. Do you understand that?
You're freaking kicking me. It's ridiculous, man.
You don't have anything on you. What's this in your left breast? Pills. Left breast. Bra.
I'm already bleeding in my face.
Oh, turn over.
My face is already bleeding.
And
I'm already hurt.
stay there.
I am.
Do you have a camera or no?
No.
Of course you don't. My face is busted.
What are you talking about? It's around right here.
Sit all the way back. Sit back all the way.
I can't, my cuffs.
Mike, can you go on the other side?
My cuffs are literally as tight as they could be. My arm, my hand's gonna be broken.
Your cuffs are about the loosest cuffs I've ever seen, to be honest.
Here's what I need you to think about. When somebody takes your money, admits it to your face, and you grab it back, does that make you a robber? Florida law has a very specific answer, and it's not the one you'd expect. Florida's robbery statute defines strong-arm robbery as taking property from another person through force with intent to permanently deprive. That word, intent, is everything. Florida recognizes a claim of right defense. If you genuinely believe the property is yours, intent to steal doesn't exist. On paper, this woman had a real argument. But here's the human thinking angle. She says he whispered that he took her money. Nobody else heard it. No audio on camera. And when she reached into his pocket, the body cam captured something that looks identical to robbery. Claim of right lives and dies on proof. A whisper with 0 witnesses is not proof. 2 counts of child endangerment under Florida's child abuse law. She left her infant inside the restaurant during a physical confrontation at the door. The baby wasn't hurt, but Florida doesn't require injury, just substantial risk of harm. An infant in a volatile situation meets that standard. Twice means 2 counts.
All right. This is a mess. You know that?
I'm the dumbest cut I know.
Hold on. This is a mess, okay? I understand you got to be going through something, okay?
The mom.
Just hear me out, okay? I promise you. I promise you we're gonna talk, okay? But I just want to establish, all right? All the stuff that just happened between us, I got no ill will towards you, okay? All right? But the thing is that there's always a reason why things happen. You know what I mean? So I'm willing to listen to why all this stuff happened. And listen, human beings are human beings, and human beings go through a lot of stuff, you know? But before I listen to what you have to say, I got to read your rights, because I don't want to violate your rights, okay? You understand that? All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand that? Is that a yes? Okay. All right. What is going on that we got to this position? What's wrong?
I work at Dunkin'. I've been working there for a year. I've been doing really good. My mom, I had my baby daddy come over, and he does recreational stuff, and so she was mad that I said don't talk to her because the way she treats me and acts, I didn't want her around me.
Okay.
So then she kept going to my grandma and got me kicked out, and I literally.
When did you get kicked out?
That's the thing. Last night, and I ain't get no sleep.
You got kicked out last night?
I'm sleep deprived.
Okay.
I would never do my baby like that. I feel like the dumbest person in the whole world. Literally, and I was begging for her to watch her. She would not. Nobody will watch her for me, and I literally kept saying, "Please help me."
Okay.
I even called.
And this was all last night?
I've been saying, can I please get some rest? Can I please get a little bit of rest? I love my baby with all my heart. And as you guys know, this will be my 2nd time. And I literally do everything for her. Okay. And the guy, he whispered, "I got your money." And so I went in his pocket to get it out, and he beat the fuck out of me on camera. He whispered, "I got your money," and I shouldn't have did that, but it was all I have. Okay. I lost. Remember, I called you.
So yeah, we talked this morning, right? So I met you this morning. You were worried, because you just wanted to file police report because you didn't have your DL, Social Security card.
How could I do anything with her if I have nothing now? Plus,
I don't disagree. So I'm glad that you called for that, because I'm still writing that report. Okay. So I get all that information.
So that's proof to the court right there that my money was taken, and then this.
Nobody. Listen. Then we don't know if your money was taken or you just lost it. You even said that to me, right?
No, he said I took your money. He whispered I took your money.
Okay, I hear you. But just listen what I'm saying. So I drove away because I was just gonna take a lost property report.
And I go in there and he whispers, "I took your money."
And then And then you went.
I went in his
went in his pocket. Did you go in? Which pocket did you go in? His left pocket.
I don't even know.
Okay.
Left or right.
Well, you're right. It is on video.
And he was kept beating on me, and then even when I
you took his money and ran outside, right?
But then I came back in and gave it back, and he still came after me.
You gave it back to him outside, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you came because you left your baby.
No, I
in there.
gave it back to him with the same girl who I know who was watching her.
Well, you left the baby in the stroller.
Yeah, and she said she was watching her. Remember when I went outside?
she picked your baby up.
Yeah.
Because she didn't know if you were coming back.
No, she knew I was. I said.
The point being is that you left your baby inside when you ran outside with the money, right?
No.
Yes.
I left her with somebody where earlier you already knew.
No, I'm not saying anything. What I'm saying is that
I wasn't.
You went into the man's pocket.
Because he said he took my money, and there's already police report on it.
And that's fine. I understand what you're saying. Okay.
And I shouldn't have did that. I shouldn't have tried to get it back on my own.
Yeah, you definitely shouldn't have, right? And then you shouldn't have ran outside, leaving your baby inside.
No. I was right there at the door. You can see it on camera. I wasn't all the way out.
Yeah, you're outside the door, but he just got to you and stopped you.
Yeah, but I wasn't leaving her. She was with the same person that was watching her earlier.
I've seen the video.
And I know that girl.
I've seen the video. I don't think you've seen the video.
I know what happened now.
So that's what I'm telling you. Okay, so where did you go from there? Like, I saw you walk north on 4th Street by the time I got there.
I was actually on the way to my grandma's to get the rest of my stuff. And then
your grandma's over on 21st?
Uh-huh. The address I gave you.
The address you gave me? Mm-hmm. So you go over there, what happened?
And then my mom comes out and beats on me, says I took her guitars. I didn't take anything.
Okay.
I don't know how they're missing or
Well, your mom didn't call us.
I know that.
Okay.
You told me that when you came.
Yeah.
And all that. And then I was leaving, even though I didn't have nowhere. I was gonna ask the bus driver, and I was just.
How'd you get back over to your mom's?
I got a ride.
Okay, so somebody picked you up and dropped you off.
No, yeah, somebody I knew, a friend picked me up. I called him, and then my phone died right after that.
Yeah, I tried to call you.
My phone died right after that.
Okay, so now let's get to the point where I see you walking on 34th Street. Okay. I see you walking on 34th Street. I'm coming up.
If I was really hiding, I would have been back street.
Well, no. What I'm saying is that you try to push the stroller faster, and then when I went to put you in handcuffs,
I was just
hold on. Yeah, let me get it out, okay? All right. I wasn't going to let anything happen to your baby. Okay.
But now
there is nothing more precious to me than children. Okay.
Now CPS is still going to get involved.
Well, of course. But here
that is happening to my baby.
Well, that's not. I didn't make those choices. You know what I mean? So I try to get out with you, and you try to reach for her to put her in front of you.
I wanted to give her a hug. I knew I wasn't going to see her, and you really, really hurt me, and it shows on my.
But why would you try and pick her up when you know that I'm going to arrest you?
I wasn't going to see her.
Do you think that Do you think that if you just complied with me, do you think that I would have let you say bye to your daughter?
No.
Really?
Because
you don't think so?
The police you weren't there last time my son got taken. Aren't you one of them?
No.
No.
I don't know anything about you. I met you for the first time today.
Last time the way they took my son was really bad.
Okay, well if you would have just complied, I promise you. And
then you started grabbing me really hard, and I didn't even mean to kick you. It's just hold on. No, it's on my wrist, so we can hold on, but the marks are on my wrist right
See that?
now.
That's from when you tried to run and escape. Okay.
What's on your wrist?
That's from you twisting the handcuffs on my skin. No, there is. There's already pictures. You see that right there?
Twist the handcuffs.
When you tried to run, when I said, "Hey, my partner's here to search you," and then you tried to run. When you were up against It's on camera.
There's no video camera on you when you were. Now there is, but when you bust my head.
No, it's been there the whole time.
She asked you, "Do you have a camera at the scene?" You said no.
I meant inside my car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why you got. That's why she transported you.
Okay, so
everything is on camera.
Okay.
Okay.
And you yanking me up with my.
I 100% yanking you up as soon as you tried to run from me. I was holding on to you with my right hand, and then you took a step back. As soon as I said.
I wasn't trying to run.
Okay. And then, why did you kick me?
I did not. I didn't. You were grabbing me up.
Why did you kick me?
I did not kick you. You were grabbing me up, and it was a reflex. I said, "Ow!" And I moved my body. No, you
can't-
you had my hand. Is it on camera how you had my arm?
I've got everything.
You were
everything is
yanking
on
it up
camera.
and kept going and yanking it more, and then it was like a reflex.
But okay,
So you didn't have my arm, one arm up, and then like yanking me up.
so
like,
you're
really
saying
hard.
that I caused you to kick me?
No, what I'm saying is it was like me moving. I was like, ow, you're hurting me really bad, and I moved, and you're like, you kicked me.
No, everybody saw it.
The camera.
The
hopefully
cameras
did.
will see it as well.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Because the wrist,
because you initially,
and my head
you
being bust
initially
too.
said, you initially said,
You
hey,
bust my head. You could have
hold
put
on.
me down nicer. You bust my head.
You just
before.
kicked me. You're going to go down to the ground. I
No,
don't play that. You know what I'm saying?
You have bust my head way before that. When you put me to the ground, when you thought that I was running, when I was trying to give my baby a hug.
You were trying to pick up your baby
And give her a hug
and keep her
goodbye.
and go like this.
No, I was trying to give her a
I
hug
just got your
goodbye.
hand. I just got my hands on you before you could. Okay.
I was giving her a hug.
All right. Here's the deal. All right. Everything else is on. Everything in this. Everything that you've done is on camera.
I know that. That's
Okay.
why the judge is going to be
We should
fine.
probably maybe show some remorse. You know
I
what I mean?
definitely have a lot. I feel like
I
the
mean, you
dumbest
put
person in the world.
your daughter in that position twice, trying to fight with cops right on the side of the roadway.
I wasn't. But I do feel really stupid and dumb. And I already missed my baby. So
I would have let you say bye to your baby,
I should have never had to. I should.
without a doubt.
No, I'm saying
Okay.
I shouldn't even have tried to take things into my own hands. I shouldn't have tried to grab my money back. I'm wrong.
Because you don't even know if that.
No,
if that
he
was a guy.
whispered. Yes, I do. He whispered at
Okay.
me and said, "I took your money." Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
I promise you, but I
So,
shouldn't have took it into my hands. And you're right.
Here's what.
I'm
here's,
so wrong.
Here's what's going to occur. Okay. You're going to get charged with strong arm robbery, child endangerment,
Are you kidding
2
me?
counts of child endangerment.
Are you kidding me?
No. Battery on a law enforcement officer, me.
my busted head?
Attempted escape. Okay? And then, what kind of drugs did you have in your bra? She
Ecstasy.
pulled them right off. I thought they were ecstasy. I just haven't even looked at them yet.
It's-
Okay? So you're going to get charged with possession of controlled substance as well. Okay?
So I'm never gonna see it.
It is... This
I
is...
never get in trouble.
This is the craziest band of decisions that I've seen made in such a short time.
And I'm sleep deprived, and I need rehab.
Okay. Well, I mean, you don't have to tell me that, okay? Like, I understand. People are going through things, okay? I don't understand why.
I've been sleep deprived, so that's why
Right.
I've been taking the pills.
But
to stay up.
there's different ways for help. I just don't
But nobody
understand.
will watch my baby for me to go into NA classes. I could barely get a babysitter for work.
What's the whole catalyst behind this? Are you hooked on something or what? Like, are you on drugs or? I mean, obviously we found ecstasy on you. Whatever. Ecstasy isn't really like, you know. I mean, it can be detrimental to your mind and stuff, but it's not like a crack or like a fentanyl or so.
I'm not on any fentanyl.
So you're not on anything? Because I'm looking for a reason why all this behavior
I
occurred.
told you I've been sleep deprived, and my mom literally got me kicked
So you
out.
got kicked out last
and
night
I've been
on New Year's
sleep
Eve.
deprived. Yes.
What time did you leave the house?
Oh, hold on. No, it was a day or two. It was a day before, and then only just yesterday I had to be like literally I had nowhere,
Okay.
and I called 211
So how long has it been since you slept?
days. And before that, I'm the only one that takes care of her. I don't get a break.
Have you been taking ecstasy the whole time that you've been doing this, or what? Huh? I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to understand. There's always a reason, right? There's always a reason where these things just balloon and then they just boom, 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 boom. I've seen a lot. I've been a cop for 16 years. Okay, I've been a detective for like 14.
I'll tell my piece to the judge.
Okay, I've been a detective for 14, so I've seen just about everything. Okay.
That body camera was not on you earlier.
I know you think that, but it was.
No, I see. I don't have eyes.
It was.
Then the whole thing is gonna be on there, right?
It was on there.
Okay.
Even when I talked to you this morning for lost property, it was on there. Okay. And it's going to capture everything. And even if mine doesn't capture an angle, how many other cops were out there? Like the body camera.
She asked you, did you have one? She said she didn't.
Yeah. No. I said my vehicle. I don't have a vehicle
I just
camera.
heard that. I'm not gonna argue with you.
No, I know.
Can these get loosened a little bit? Because there's definitely.
I'm being honest.
This is not the loosest.
Hold on. You're about to go into the van, so everything's going to be in front, okay? Listen to me. You see that gate in front of you? There's a gate behind you. Don't try anything dumb. You can't go anywhere, okay?
I was never trying to.
Don't try to don't catch another charge. You hear me? And if you have anything hidden on you that we didn't find, that's another charge if you go out to the jail with that, okay? So let's be honest. Is there anything else on you? Okay. I don't want you to get another charge going out to jail.
I'm already not going to see daylight with all the. Hopefully, the judge gets to the bottom of everything and all the cameras.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's going to show everything. I'm just being honest with you. Okay. Hey, but you know what? I got no hard feelings towards you. I got to do my job. I got to do my job. But I also don't. I don't feel like I should have to be, kicked and everything like that, right?
I was not trying to kick you. Look at my head. It's busted.
Well, it wasn't trying.
You busted my head open right off rip. You threw me down. Even that man asked you, are you going to hurt her?
Nobody, that guy didn't see anything. Okay.
That's the problem. Nobody's seen.
All the cameras saw it. Okay. Okay? I promise you. All right? All right. Thank you.
The counter-argument deserves airtime. She left the baby with someone she knew. She was steps away. In her mind, the child was safe. But criminal law doesn't score you on belief. It scores you on risk. Human thinking has to acknowledge an infant between two adults fighting is real danger, no matter how close mom stayed. Battery on a law enforcement officer, escape, and drug possession. She says the kick was reflexive, a pain response. Florida does recognize reflexive movement as a defense. But the body cam likely captured a kick. One step backward during a lawful search counts as escape. And pills found during a search incident to arrest, textbook possession under Florida's Drug Abuse Prevention Act. The force question. Graham versus Connor sets the standard: severity of the crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. The officer took her down twice. The first opened a wound on her face. He assessed flight risk, not unreasonable. But human thinking asks, was a full takedown necessary when backup was already on scene? The officer administered Miranda rights correctly. He placed the infant with family instead of into the system, a solid call. He listened to her side after the arrest. Real positives. But he called her actions a robbery on Bodycam audio before any charges were filed. Pre-charge language like that is admissible at trial and can undercut the prosecution. The subject: sleep deprived for days, kicked out of housing, sole caregiver with no support. That's not an excuse, it's context. She admitted she was wrong. She cooperated after Miranda. But every choice, going into a man's pocket, resisting during a search, grabbing for her baby mid-arrest, added another charge. Crisis does not pause the law. Lesson 1. If someone takes your property, call the police. Do not try to recover it yourself. The moment your hand enters somebody else's pocket, you cross the line from victim to suspect. She had an officer already working her case that morning. She didn't need to act alone. Lesson 2. Compliance during an arrest is not agreement. It is survival. You can comply fully, say nothing, and fight every charge in court the next morning with a lawyer beside you. Resisting adds charges. Running adds charges. The courtroom is where you win, not the sidewalk. Lesson 3. If you are a caregiver in crisis, reach out before it becomes an emergency. Call 211. Call a shelter hotline. Call legal aid. Once law enforcement gets involved and a child is present, the stakes multiply for everyone. Child Protective Services doesn't evaluate your love. They evaluate the environment your decisions created. Resources for the issues raised here, including housing assistance, recovery programs, and legal aid, are in the description. The law does not bend for bad days. But understanding how it works is how you keep a bad day from becoming a permanent one. Thanks for watching.